In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expressvpn in Call of Duty Warzone. Now, before jumping into Warzone, it's important to set up your VPN correctly to enjoy a seamless gaming experience. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Expressvpn website. This is your go-to destination for one of the best VPN services, known for its speed and privacy, especially in the era of 2025 where online security is paramount. Once you're on their homepage, make your way to the My Account section. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll see the option to sign in. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, now's the time to do so. But, assuming you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your login details. This will take you to your personal Expressvpn dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage everything related to your VPN usage, from subscription details to configuration options. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option that says Set up your devices. This step is crucial because it preps your VPN for the device you plan on using with Warzone. Clicking on this will bring up a whole list of device options. Now, you want to expand these options by clicking on More. In this section, you'll be presented with a variety of devices for setup. Since we're focusing on playing Call of Duty, Warzone, and assuming you're using a PlayStation, you'll want to look specifically for the PlayStation option. This ensures that the VPN is configured correctly for your gaming console, allowing you to connect securely and access different game servers with ease. As you go through these steps, keep in mind that Expressvpn provides instructions tailored to each device. If you're using a different gaming console or even a PC, just select the relevant option. The process is fairly intuitive, and you'll be guided through each stage of installation. Remember, a VPN can provide a significant advantage in gaming. It not only protects your online identity, but also gives you access to different regional servers, which can be a game changer in online multiplayer settings. Whether you're hoping to lower your ping, find easier lobbies, or simply want added security while you play, setting up a VPN is a wise choice. And that's how you set up and use Expressvpn for Call of Duty Warzone. Follow these steps closely, and you'll be on your way to enjoying a more secure and flexible gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials. Happy gaming!